F35 versus Speedtail. It's the coolest thing I've ever done. Look at the thing. It just looks like an engine with a person strapped to the front of it.
Christopher, are you ready?
As I'll ever be. Here we go then. Ready, steady, go. I'm off.
Really cool. Quick start by Harris. He's well in front, the lad.
120, 130. Where's the jet? Where's the jet? Oh my Lord! Okay, corner one. Boring done. Come on, Mr. McLaren. Come on, Mr. McLaren. Come on, he's already banked round. I don't stand a chance, he's already there.
Turn two. Oh, please, just ahead, just by your nose, just by your nose.
Where is he? He's over there, he's over there, he's over there. I'm on the car. Okay, here we go, last corner.
Oh, he's ahead. Harris is ahead. Blaine's got to do the big loop here. This is where we'll get our time.
Where is he? Where is he?
I can see the F35. No! Got it! No! Got it!
And over the line.
101 complete.
That is one of the coolest pieces of engineering I've ever seen. If I'm going to lose to anyone, I'm going to lose to that.